Hello guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. So let me show you how to use Bing SERP API to feed internet search results into the AI chatbot. So this is an option which Aimogen provides to get the latest information from around the internet and feed it directly into the AI writer. So you will need to have the latest update of Aimogen to make this work. So in the settings menu of the plugin, in the API keys tab, scroll down until you see Bing SERP API key, and here you will be able to click on this link and create a Azure account if you already don't have one, sign up, log in, and afterwards if you click on this link, this page will appear here. So I already have a deployment, but I will show you how to create one. So you can select here pay as you go. You can select a resource group or create a resource group if you don't have one. You can add a name to it. Region can be global. Pricing tier, this is the free tier and this is the subscription tiers. You can use the free tier, it is good, it will work, and check this confirmation checkbox, click review and create. And after this is reviewed, click create. I don't click now create because the deployment would fail, because I already have a deployment created. This is it, the Bing SERP deployment. So after the deployment was created for you, you can manage the keys. So click on the manage keys link from here and you will be able to get your Bing SERP API key ready. Add the API key here in settings, and afterwards you will be able to benefit of the SERP results from Bing SERP. So I test this using OmniBlocks because the OmniBlocks provides a real quick way to check the search results from the internet. So for this to test, click on the configure button on an OmniBlock rule, and here select the internet search results OmniBlock type, add it to the results. I leave only the internet search result OmniBlock type and add a query here. So let's write here CodeRevolution TV, my YouTube channel name, and let's save this OmniBlock rule and click configure again, and now a button appeared which will allow us to run this OmniBlock manually. So if we click this, and the OmniBlock will be executed. Here it is, the Bing SERP results found these search results, the title, description, the snippet, and also the URL is provided. This will be fed actually into the AI writer when the internet access is selected from the plugin settings. So to enable internet access, go to settings and scroll down here, AI internet access, and you will be able to select which part of the plugin will benefit of this internet access feature, which the SERP engines and SERP APIs provide. So if you want to enable it for chatbot, check the chatbot shortcodes and so on. So this is it. This is how you will be able to benefit of Bing SERP API. Aimogen is linked in this video description. Let me know if you have more ideas. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye.